Can be a boring subject for some. Local 15's Stephen Quinn shows us how one group is trying to teach the basics of physics with a little bit of music and fun.
All three laws in motion.
Science doesn't always have to consist of equations and numbers.
Let's get this thing started.
Sometimes it can be fun and downright messy.
You're going to apply your force to the slingshot to accelerate the mass of the apples towards the target.
That's the goal of FMA Live, a traveling group of young men and women who performed for Clark Shaw Magnet Middle School students Monday. John James is a singer, dancer, but most of all, he thinks of himself as a teacher.
I wish I had something like this in school. It's just very inspiring for me, first of all, because I didn't have something like this, an avenue to experience it, literally experiencing the science. I just had to kind of observe it. But now I'm able to provide something that I didn't have, and that's just inspiring in its own right.
The hope is that for students seeing the material outside of a traditional classroom setting, the lesson will be like a catchy tune.
It helps you remember it better than just reading out of a textbook. Just doing something fun. You always remember fun things, so.
All right, kick it!
For Clark Shaw science teacher Glenn Muchnick, it's the realization of what he's been preaching all along.
We tell the kids, preach to the kids that science is fun and interesting and they can develop great careers from it, but when they see it in action like this, they realize that all that is true, that it is fun, that it is interesting, and it applies to everyday life.
Reporting in Mobile, Stephen Quinn, Local 15 News.